Completing your profile helps Handshake automate your experience, like Amazon or Spotify. It also helps the Life Design Lab give you more targeted events and internships. A complete profile allows Handshake to populate ideal recommendations and helps employers find, recognize, and reach out to you. PreProfessional Advising also uses Handshake to set up appointments and help you prepare for graduate school applications. Your name and education, that means your college, major, minor, year, are automatically loaded into your profile and locked into place. All students can opt in to sharing their GPA in a SIS form that appears the first time you log on to handshake.jhu.edu. Keep in mind that opting out means you won't qualify for jobs that have GPA restrictions. Everything else you'll need to add yourself. Everything else means your work and volunteer experience. This could include any volunteering, internships, research, and other kinds of experiential education. Organizations and extracurricular activities. This would be student groups, volunteering, other forms of leadership, and other kinds of involvement. Courses that are relevant to the kind of internships, jobs, or research you would like to apply to, and certain projects that show the skills and things that you've learned in those areas. Once you've filled out the rest of your profile, you'll want to make sure you add a picture. This helps employers and alumni, especially those who have recently met you, put your face to your name. You'll also want to make sure you make your profile visible. This way employers, other students, and alumni can actually look at your profile. You can always change this back to private anytime. Another way to get better opportunities is to select your interests in this area. That could include looking for internships or full-time jobs or fellowships, areas of interest, what kind of job roles you might like to do, and what industries you're interested in. Selecting these is the best way to make sure that Handshake works for you in particular. The last thing you might want to do is add some skills that show the kind of work you can do. You can select from Handshake's suggested skills, or you can add your own. Finally, you can upload documents like your resume or cover letters. This way, you won't have to upload it every time you apply for a position. This should only take about 5 or 10 minutes, especially if you already have a completed resume. If you need help with resumes, go to our office hours on campus or stop into resume reviews from 11 to 2 in Wyman.